Back again with another one.
Another one.
Welcome to my world.
Welcome to my world. It's Bigg Vic TV.
Welcome to my world. It's my world.
Give me a thumbs up just for this intro. What is up, guys? It's your homie Bigg Vic. We back in the building with another quick video. Just wanted to let y'all know, please do not make this mistake while using Reason 11.2, the latest update. I'm in here actually working on a track, and something really mysterious and strange has happened. I got through an entire track, and if you look up here at the very top, you will see it says untitled. Why is that? It's because it won't let me save this entire track that I created for my project, and I cannot save it. So this has taught me a very, very, very valuable lesson. I will from now on be naming the track when I first start the beat, and if it doesn't save, I know to turn it off, power it back on, so that it can save my production. Because this is not the first time that this has happened. This has happened before in Reason 11.2, but I just kind of ignored it the first time, just started over and made sure it was saving, and I did it this time not thinking that it would do it again on me, but it didn't save my beat. And I went through, I'm gonna just play this beat right now because I'm gonna have to more than likely recreate it and look at everything I used to make the beat. I'm really pissed off right now. Let me play this beat. So I'm putting together this chill, laid back vibe type of project, and I'm about 9 tracks in so far. This was actually number 9 for me, and I cannot even save this track. I'm so livid right now. Like, I want to just snatch the soul out of Reason 11.2 and uppercut it. Give it a strange uppercut. Have y'all had this issue? Have y'all had a saving files issue in Reason 11.2 for y'all that have Reason 11, or in Reason 11? Have y'all had any issues? If so, let me know how you were able to save the track, if you were able to even recover the track and save it. So that's my issue right now. Every now and again, I may run into a saving issue. So now I have to start saving beats in the very beginning before I even lay one sound down. I have to name it, make sure it saves, because if it doesn't, I know I'm gonna have to restart the project over. So if you guys know a fix for that, if it's just a little buggy still, I don't know, but this is the only issue I'm having. It's not every time, but it's happening sometimes. So yeah, let me know, man. Let me know. Drop some comments down below, man, if y'all having this issue for you guys that have Reason 11.2 or have the latest version of Reason Studios, Reason the Suite version, whatever version you have of Reason 11. Let me know, man, if y'all having this issue. Help a brother out, or Reason, if y'all watching, if y'all been getting emails of an issue like this, let me know what I need to do if this arises. But I don't think I have this issue again, because I will be saving from the very beginning of the beat. As you can see, it's untitled, and I got through an entire beat without even thinking to name it and save the track while I was in the creation process of it. Won't happen again. All right. It's your man Bigg Vic, man. Always hustle, never stop growing. I'm a little frustrated. I'll see y'all in a minute. All right. Peace.